Hi, and welcome to Tea Tuesday. I'm sitting in my car waiting for Miss Maggie to come out from the groomers. Yep, she's at PetSmart getting groomed into the big city of Augusta. Well, this is an open collaboration and it is hosted by Life with Patty. So what you do is you take a beverage of your choice. I'm drinking peach water. And got it at Wendy's. I'm not affiliated with them, and it's really good. And you drink whatever beverage you want, and you can say what you want, do what you want, whatever, for Tea Tuesday. So I usually share a recipe with you, and I'm going to share one. For some reason, I feel like I'm not sitting up. Maybe this is better. Rearrange my sitting here. I am going to, let's see, we're going to do Speedy Salad. 1 package of instant vanilla pudding. It doesn't say the size. 1 can of drained fruit cocktail, 14-ounce can. 1 can of mandarin oranges, 11 ounces. 1 cup of whipped cream, 1 jar maraschino cherries, 4 ounces, 6 ounces of miniature marshmallows, and 2 medium bananas sliced. What? I don't have them. I don't have the cherries, and I don't have the mandarin. That's the only 2 I don't have. All right, I would make this. Prepare 1 package of instant pudding according to the directions. Fold in 1 cup of whipped cream. Drain the fruit cocktail, mandarin oranges and cherries well and fold into the pudding. Chill thoroughly. Make 8 to 10 servings. This is very good. Note: sour cream may be substituted for sweet cream by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 teaspoons of salt. This was submitted by Mrs. Burt Hazelton in Winslow, Maine, and this is called the All Maine Cookin', and put out by, I believe, it was the Fireman Auxiliary. I'm pretty sure I read that in here. Let me look here again. I hope everybody's doing fine. No, I don't have it at hand. But anywho, I got time to do another one here. Let's see. Trying to do something. Oh, how about a cinnamon swirl salad? That sounds pretty good. 3 cups of boiling water, 1/2 cup of red cinnamon candies, 1 6-ounce or 2 to 3-ounce packages of lemon jello. I'm hot, sorry, and tired. 2 cups of sweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a dash of salt, 1/2 cup of chopped nuts, 2 3-ounce packages of cream cheese softened. I don't know why you'd need 2. You could just do 1. I think they come in 8 ounces. I'm not sure, maybe 6, and then you might have a little left over. 1/2 cup of milk. Remember, this is an old book. I believe this was done in the 7th printing in 1970. So things have changed since then. And then it says, put the boiling water in a saucepan, add the red cinnamon candies, and stir until nearly dissolved. Then add lemon jello, stir until dissolved. Remove from the stove and add the applesauce, lemon juice, and salt. Let set until it starts to gel and add the nuts. That sounds really good too. While this is gelling more, mix the cream cheese with milk and salad dressing, the electric mixer if possible. Turn the Jell-O mixture into an 8x8 pan. Spoon cheese topping on and swirl with the back of the fork. Put in the refrigerator until it firmly sets. This makes a good salad, dessert, or just good lunching. If you are hungry for this, if you're in a hurry for this to gel, use 1 cup of boiling water and 2 cups of boiling water after you add the applesauce. That's pretty good too. I've never heard of either one of these salads, but I will also put this was submitted by Francis Bartlett, Bangor, Maine. I will put this in the description box, both of these recipes, and yeah, I'm trying to see here. See what else I could find here real quick. I guess that's it. So everybody have a blessed day. It is, let me tell you how warm it is here. Oh, I don't have my car on, I forgot. Last time I checked was 75 and it's really hot. Well, it's hot because we're not used to this heat. I'm sitting in the shade at the moment. I found a shaded area while I'm waiting for Miss Maggie. Okay, everybody, I want y'all to have a great day. God bless. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. And have you had either or these recipes? I don't think I've actually heard of either one of these. So I'm just wondering if you have, and if you've tried them, and even if you haven't tried them, which recipe do you think you would like the best? Now, I just had it marked off and moved my hand, lost the page I was in. I think I would like the first one. Well, the second one too, but I think I'd like the first one. I should have did something with chocolate. I have been craving chocolate wicked bad. Okay, everybody, I'm going now. Have a great day. God bless. Never know what's going to be on my videos. Bye now.